Hello everyone, this is my Samsung Galaxy M36 5G and today I got new software update and this is security patch update May 2026. So as you can see that I am already download my software update, so let's install. And very soon this smartphone long time review coming our channel, so make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon. So as you can see that my software update is successfully done and my smartphone is still running One UI 8 with Android 16. After the update, I don't face any major problem. My smartphone running smoothly, all the app opening and closing speed very fast. So if you guys get a new software update on your Galaxy M36, so as soon as possible update your devices. Okay, that's all about our today video. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech review like this as always. Thanks for watching and I will be see you in the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.